today I've got a little Christmas plan here, or vacation off time plan. I want to get speakers in the shop. I had a crappy little thing, but it was annoying to use, didn't work very well, and it wasn't loud. I don't use it a ton because I can't have music playing when I'm making videos, otherwise instantly you got a problem. But there's certain scenarios where I'm doing a task or whatever, and it's just like, yeah, we could crank it up and it would be good. So, I got some speakers, I got an amp. I'm hoping to add more and get a different amp, but for now, we're gonna get this thing set up. I need to put a table there for it, and then we're gonna have a speaker over there and over there a bit. So let's get things set up. I'm pretty fired up about it. We're doing it cheap. This is all used. Some of the speakers I've gotten for free. The amp I'm borrowing from my father-in-law. It's gonna be sweet. And like, I'm not a listening snob or whatever you want to call it, but hey, if it goes loud and plays pretty decently, I'll be happy. This is what we've landed on. We've gone through a few things. I had a receiver in my garage, but it got snow on it, rain on it, and over years it just stopped working. Then I got another one from a friend's dad, but he didn't know if it worked, and it didn't work, unfortunately. That one from the house also doesn't work. So we're gonna pick something up, but let's get this thing going. It's gonna be good here because then it's halfway down on either side. I'm getting a Bluetooth receiver, and then hopefully it should reach everywhere in the shop. And then we'll just put speakers on this wall so that we don't have to run as much speaker wire. That's the plan, at least. I don't know how it's gonna set up well, but we'll have the receiver, 2 speakers right there, and then a bit of the ways down, we'll have another 2 speakers maybe on either side. I'm not sure yet. So we've been making this shelf. Kind of sucks because it's a Quonset, so it's a rounded roof. So to make it work and sit level, we got to put this on there. We're gonna get that bolted up, and then we can actually get some bench space back. You want all of them? We got the shelf up, and I'm kind of excited about it actually because it's a good spot for a plug, so I don't have to do any wiring. And then I think I'll probably end up mounting like an LED strip, so if I'm doing something here, that could help me maybe. Anyways, let's get the speakers and stuff up here and then figure out what we want to do farther down the walls for the next ones. Alright guys, we got something good going on here. To be fair, the shelf, like, I built it as cheap and easy as possible. I could have probably used something a bit wider. But the big speakers, the tall ones, I think we're going to move farther down the wall. Something like that. But hey, it should be bumping in here now. Yeah, so the tall ones are definitely coming down. If I put the speakers straight on there, these ones fit pretty good. So those will stay up there. And we'll mount those 2 farther down and lower maybe. I don't know, I don't really want to go lower. I also don't want to make a big shelf. Put them all the way at the ends. Facing in maybe. Anyone know if it's cost effective to just change speakers in these old things? I think they're pretty cool and they look cool. Or do I just buy another set of used speakers? You walk around, you look at things long enough that you kind of figure out what you want to do with them. We're going to put those tower speakers in the corners of the flat walls and then kind of face them into the middle of the shop. Should fill it up good. Sound should go around obstacles well. And then don't have to deal with the round part of the roof. I tell you what, I would never go back to not using a laser. It is so handy to just see your lines. Like, that's how I ran all the air piping in here. And you just stick it on a tractor and you're good to go. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I like that. I think that's a good spot. Out of the way. Not gonna get hit by the door. Unused space. And now it's got a sweet speaker in it. Now we got to put one on that corner somewhere. We got all the speakers placed on the walls. I'm pretty happy with how it looks and how it's going to work. Might have to make the brackets a little bit stronger, but we're going to see what happens. Now we're just waiting on some speaker wire. I got that coming tomorrow, as well as a Bluetooth receiver so you can hook it up to an old amp and play music through your phone, because now they don't even have auxiliary cords in your phone. So pretty soon here we'll be rocking and rolling, and we already are. I'm just excited to get the speakers done up and just be done with it. Now we're done. I got the towers over there, these big ones, and then I had some bookshelves from a different stereo that it's also like this one right here, it's not worked too well. So this is all the just discard audio equipment that doesn't work anymore, but we got something pretty sweet here anyways. We are gonna look for an amp, used, cheap, but a bit of an upgrade so we can run a bit more power through these things. Should be fun. We've been using it for a while, enjoying it here for the last, has it been a week now that we've been back? But I wanted to, finish it up. I had another 2 speakers that I could throw on there, but that won't run them. And I wanted to get an amp that I could have, cause that one, it's got to go back. It was the first one he ever bought. He wants it still and working, and rightfully so. Makes sense. So finally today we got the last piece of the puzzle, which is this, which is actually a pretty good receiver. I bought it used, obviously. That's the kind of guy I am. And anything like this on Kijiji or Facebook was always like $300-400 because it's got a bunch of outputs and it's got decent amount of wattage. But this one, it wasn't working for video on one of the HDMI ports, so that doesn't matter to me. I literally just needed to play my speakers. So let's get that put in, hook up the last set of wires, get everything switched around, try it out. Unfortunately, you guys probably won't ever hear it because I don't play music really ever in my videos, but it's been nice to have. We got it all set up now. I think I got it figured out. It's definitely a newer receiver than I've ever had, so it's more figuring things out. But hey, things are bumping in here. Got Bluetooth on it. This is awesome. Productivity has gone up. Anyways, see you on the next one.